Hawks spread the floor. Kevin Herter, the man to get him in, and Tony Brown reminding DJ Wilson he cannot come over that line. Crowd standing. Herter gets it in. Kevin looking, lob to the basket, poked away. Trey! It's locked in! And the Hawks win it! Trey Young picks it up, puts it in. It's got the victory.
Would be alert to that and rotate a man to Horford. So let's see what they call. Kyrie is the best offensive player, can get to the rim, but I'll tell you, they have been known to use Kyrie as a decoy.
All right, Hayward is going to make the inbounds pass. Here we go. Into Horford. He's got plenty of running room. Looking to make a deal to somebody else, namely Kyrie. Irving. Irving to the basket. Irving got it! 0.5 of a second to go.
Well, they pick and roll. They try to double Kyrie, work his way out of it. And they look a gap for him to get to the rim. Take a look at this drive. There's the double. They fake at it. There's the angle. And once he gets going, you ain't stopping him.
Oh, nice fake there. It took Young out of the play. Kyrie gets a layup.
Out there. This guy is so competitive.
11 of 22 from the field.
Nuggets decide to go tall on the ball against Brown.
It is Jokic defending Markel Brown along the sidelines.
One of the things I'm thinking about is you possibly set a few screens for Joe Johnson. If not there, get a dive to the basket.
1.3 left. Nets down 2. Johnson gets a shot off. Oh! Joe Johnson! That's a winner! Standing by
because they knew they were going to use that foul. This is probably the real play they want to run.
Hornets got a pair. Lamb lost it. Has to fire. Jeremy Lamb wins it. Unbelievable. Just as in Toronto. Did it count?
They're going to look at this for sure.
Good golly, Miss Molly. He did it.
This crowd is done.
Jeremy Lamb, the shot of a lifetime. Oh my goodness, Del Curry. It's been confirmed. It's a bucket and it's a ball game.
All Customs, we're on the way home.
Catch it cleanly, put it on the floor and make a play if no one else is available.
Dunleavy looking, finds Rose,
Rose trying to get open, fires away. Bang! It's over! The Bulls win at the buzzer!
Make sure you do not foul anybody here on the dribble.
It's going to be James.
Here it is. See, it's under
3 seconds to go. Throws up the floater. Oh, good night.
The throw in, 1.7 to 2 to tie, a 3 to win game 3. Who will be the hero? Calderon throws it in. Carter in the corner.
Jokic into Paul. Here it goes. Got it. Got it. Denver's won. Denver has done it in a close game again. Off balance, leading for the first-time All-Star. Jokic with the game winner.
Drummond, Bullock, and Griffin. Calderon. Shot up and good. And Kyle Lowry can't believe it. The Pistons win it. And Dwayne Casey's return to Toronto. A big one for Dwayne Casey and the Pistons as they come away with a victory here.
Casey just gave a big tug to Jose Calderon, who he put in the game.
Raptors bench.
Bullock just did a great job of sneaking to that short corner, and Jose Calderon had that ball waiting for him.
Raptors led by 19. What a game, and the reaction of Dwayne Casey. You think it meant something to him? You know it did. Sidney Lowe embracing him. Blake Griffin embracing him. The emotions after getting fired by the Toronto Raptors. You know that
They do have a timeout. Decide not to use it. Curry, way downtown. Bang! Bang! Oh, what a shot from Curry! With 0.6 of a second remaining. The brilliant shooting of Stephen Curry continues. And he ties the NBA record with his 12th three-pointer of the game.
Westbrook gets off a decent look, the banker, and you've got to press up